All right, we are in the Asian town. Well, this is Asian town, but more like Chinatown. Fruit supermarket. Today we're exploring the fruit supermarket here in town, and then we're gonna be heading out to another Hmong town up in the mountains. But we're stopping by, grab some fruit, hang out here for a little bit. We're gonna eat some pho. Pho, ít tai bánh bạ. So we're gonna see how many we can eat per person. The chain had the average people it's like 12 cups per person, so that's the average number. I think I can only do 3 the most, but we'll see how that goes.
He hasn't beefed up his wheels yet.
No, not yet. He kept it in stock. These people that I'm hanging out with, man, all they want is fruit. I could care less about it.
But tell me, who's buying?
Khai out the nod during, huh?
Của chị sẵn nó ta của sẵn qua xin.
Oh.
Vì nó có tiêu khuấy lụt ra lại.
Auto nó, auto nhìn nó during sắp tới auto nó nè. Yeah. Bây giờ tao nói gì? Bây giờ tao nói gì? Chỉ nói during, bây giờ nó mango ha. The young fruits. I am one person I don't really care about fruits, but this is fruit galore right here.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah.
Good day. You make a go me to customer. You not you need your fruit not you make it down there. I don't eat fruit. Hey, cho nó chỉ chứ đó.
Này, của tiền rồi không? Cho nó một chút. Salad.
Oh, salad. Oh. What the fuck is cucina?
It's interesting though.
Yeah. 30 hai lô dầu rồi chỉ nó này hai lô lên chi chứขอบคุณครับ All right, we are here. Peto cha.
How are you wearing a jacket, Uncle? He's got 2 layer pants on.
Peto cha là lúc lan phở bánh bao.
Today, so I'm in short.
Cú lệ cái nào cho sửa chưa? Rồi giờ lúc lan phở bánh bao bây lan phở bánh bao. Peto chịu đấy.
It makes me want to throw a
I don't know. Is this the entrance? No. Yeah.
Vào lúc khi mà tôi này
Bỏ được bé.
sẽ còn con.
Yeah. Bây giờ cho là cái chó chập lời rồi lúc gặp bé tư
Giờ tôi sẽ là chợ phở bánh bao này. Phở bánh bao ngon này. Để cho phở I was gonna eat clears. Take one and pass it down. Julian had 2 clears. Julie, you have 3?
God, that's like one slur.
We did 3.
This one
We did 3 each. Okay, Julian, pass it out.
Beta each. 3 each. Dude, this is like one slur, dude.
Yeah, give 3 to the...
Ê cho cô đu này cho tôi nè.
They're coming.
Con chá nè mình.
Yeah, she's gonna give Tolly his.
They want each, huh? Good time.
Nghe chưa? Tay cho anh chúng nó có trái phở nó rồi mình nó để ta kê.
Nhiệt tao nhiệt tách phải.
Còn cái nào? Nhưng mà chỉ sợ ok. Đấy.
Then okay.
Tolly, right here in this corner.
Okay.
Chunk in there. There you go. Now I look like a waterfall.
Higher up, I got an overview, dude.
Cách đó rồi ai lần trước đó.
One at a time. Just give 3 to each person.
Chị báo này nữa.
Just one slur each.
Chị báo này nữa.
이거 내용이 아.
This noodle right there. This particular noodle, it's very soft. Is there a spoon?
All right. Eat that for bánh bao. You just slope this small portion of phở. Oh, he ate all by him. There you go. Good.